I finished my cute wall hanging quilt from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas Day 4. So do you want to see how it turned out? Okay, so I love the Missouri Star Quilt Company's patterns. They are really easy to follow. And I love all their visual steps. It really makes putting everything together really, really easy. So I finished my project and here is how it turned out. It is so cute. I love this hanger with the star. And I think what I'm gonna do is make some blocks for different seasons and holidays. Because you could definitely put like a pumpkin or a leaf on here for getting into fall and Thanksgiving. This is obviously perfect colors for Christmas. You could do a 4th of July inspired one for summer, something for Easter. So, you know, definitely a lot of things you can do with this Valentine's Day, a bunch of different things to keep it up. And I think the star is, you know, fine for many different holidays, especially for the 4th of July too. So I thought this was a lot of fun to put together. It is very, very cute. I thankfully still had enough of the red and green to finish the star. And then I just pulled in some green that I had left over from another project, and I had white on hand. So I love it. It was really cute. This is probably my favorite bag that I opened so far, and I can't wait to open more, but it was a fun, quick project. Hope you liked yours if you got one, and I hope you've had fun watching the unboxings for Christmas so far. It has definitely been a bright spot in this crazy year. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.